Hi, this is Kathleen at Luke's Sewing Center in Tri-County. I'm showing you today a foot that is available for the Viking machines, all the Vikings. It is called a left edge top stitch foot. It has an opening on the right side and a marking line both at the toe and at the edge right behind the needle that you would like to line your fabric up on. In addition, it has a nice groove on the back side so that your fabric can ride in there and help keep it steady. I'm going to go ahead and pop that on. One of the beauties of this foot is it really can help you line up the edge stitching that you will do on binding. So I've got a small or a trivet here. I'm going to line the edge of the toe and the heel of the at the ankle with the edge of my binding. And I'm going to go ahead and just drop that down, and it's lined up right up on those lines. Then I'm going to take my needle, and we're just going to do a straight stitch, and I'm going to bump it over just slightly to the left, and I'll just test and see where it is. I want to bump it just a little further so that it comes very close to the edge of the binding. What this will do is it will allow you to stitch so close to that edge you don't have a lot of chance for the binding to lift and you see whatever stitching you might have had underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and get started here. Just keeping that lined up right there along the edge, and then you just keep pulling over as you go. As you approach a corner, you want to take the edge that you are coming up to, you want to roll that one over first, tuck it under as far as you can under that corner, and then bring your 45-degree miter down to it on the front side. Sometimes it works better than others, but it depends on how much thickness of fabric you have under there. Stitch up to that corner, and then go ahead and turn, and then start down the next side. I'm going to go ahead and pull this off of here so you can see. I'll finish this later, but I want to pull this off so that we can show the camera how close to the edge you can get and get fairly straight. And then on your back side, you don't have to worry because you've already wound your binding across, and this can also look like some of the quilting on the back side, but that'll give you a nice sharp even finish on the front. Okay, and that is called a left edge top stitch foot. We have those available. We are going to put an order in, so if you are wanting one of these feet, call the store and get your name on the list so that we can get them to you when they first come in. Now, there's also a foot available for the Janome that does the same type of thing, and it is called an edge guide foot. And it has an adjustable guide on the front, so you can set that guide right at the edge of your binding, and then move your needle over close, again like I did here where I moved it a little bit to the left so it was close to the line, and you can get the same results with this foot for any of the Janome or Elna machines.